Hello, my name is Terumi. So this video you can learn how to apply for JLF membership program and also how to enjoy our membership program. So let's go to apply for our program. Okay, application is free here. So you click the fee. So our lessons is for over 12 years old. So please check here, 12 years old. And are you online? Yes, of course. You need internet to enjoy our lesson. So do you understand basic English? So if you're English speaker, of course, okay. But if your mother language is not English, then if our lessons are everything in English, so please understand. So it's basic English. So do you understand English? So if these three is everything okay, then let's go. So free and reader and speaker course, you need to choose to apply. So free course is just a newsletter, so you can get some information or maybe free lesson. And reader course is newsletter, of course, but JLF community chat. So you can join the community chat to ask everything, grammar, vocabulary, anything about program or lesson, Japanese culture, anything we can talk. And access to membership site. So this is a big point. Access to membership site to learn Japanese seriously. And 10 hours of video lesson is inside a membership site. It has. Then what is the biggest differences between 100 euro to 280 euro? This between speaker course and the reader course. This is it has a live streaming lesson or not. So this is the live streaming lesson has, and here it doesn't have the live streaming lesson, so you cannot ask the question directly. But usually if the student choose this 280 euro speaker course, is they want to do the speaking exercise with me, native Japanese speaker speaking lesson. This is mainly because this is the live streaming you need. All the grammar, kanji, letter, reading, everything is you can do with a video. So 100 euro, if you think I want to have the Japanese proficiency test, like a proficiency degree. If you just want to have a degree, 100 euro per month is definitely enough. But I want to be a speaker. I want to speak Japanese fluently. Then you need 2,000 hours speaking exercise. Definitely you need to choose a speaker course to do the exercise for speaking. So it's up to you. I want to have the degree, 100 euro per month. I want to be a speaker, 200 euro per month. So you choose. Then here, the biggest difference is live streaming and 100 hours of video. This is you have 10 hours video. This is extra 100 hours to speak. So and private session is here. You can ask some specific question. If you have, you can do this private session, or we can check your progress private session. And culture classes, like sometimes we do the cooking class online. All these things you can join here. So you choose and apply. So you apply. So you choose, for example, I want to go speaker course, and you will put information, Terumi, and then my first name is Terumi, and last name is Kai, and you put mobile, like, okay, you put mobile and email. Okay, and country is Japan. City is like Yamanashi, for example. And your street name, like Ryu O and Sano-san. Okay, and okay. Here street number you have to put, so Sandero-san. And if you want birthday, you can choose. This is So I was born 1986. So 1986. Okay. And would you like to have the message? Why would you like to learn? Because I want to live in Japan, for example. Then what did you find us? Maybe Facebook? and then credit card, PayPal, bank transfer. So every month you have the payment for membership program. So maybe I will choose credit card and submit. So here you will have the message, and with this message you will pay, and then let's begin. Okay, so you need to check your message. Okay, then you can go. You will have the username and password. So log into JLF membership program. So if you are already logged in, yes, you can go just here from the membership site. But if you never logged in before, so here you go, email. So my email, for example, this is for the test. So your email, and your password. Of course, each person different, so you need to have the password. Okay, so you don't want to log in all the time, so you go here, member me, and log in. Of course, you can put your password in the browser also. So here it's written JLF membership program speaker course, because I chose speaker course, and it started from October and it finished November. So if you want to continue, you pay every month and you can extend your course. Okay, and here JLF へようこそ. So you can enjoy the live streaming lesson and private session. So I want to know the schedule. So let's go. Speaker course and schedule. So ours is Greek, so please check the Greek time. If you're living in the other country, so try to check the time differences. And booking is 40 days advance you can do. If you know the schedule, today is, for example, 1st of October, but you can book until end of this month, because if you know the schedule, you can book everything. Okay. So for example, tomorrow, A1 writing, I want to join. Okay. And cancellation is 12 hours before, and the reschedule also 12 hours before. Okay. And if you use Google Calendar, you can put your schedule into the Google Calendar, so you don't forget what you booked already. Okay. So then, for example, here A1 writing 5:30. I want to learn, and it's written day 18. What is that? Day 18. So you back checklist. Here is a checklist. A1 writing, because I will join A1 writing. A1 writing day 18. What is that? Simulation of the exam. I just started, so I need to know from day one. In this case, day one is nowhere, for example. So where is A1 day one? Doesn't have a recently here. For example, A1 writing is here, and then the other A1 writing is here, day 9. Or maybe Sunday class is younger, so maybe I can join Sunday class, but still also day 9. In this case, you go back and recorded video. So we already did day 1. So here you can enjoy the recorded video. So A1 writing day 1. So here you can see the video. What we did. Okay, like this. So ha, he, who. Yep. One. And I mean, absolutely everybody understands what that is, ma. It's just that what is the most like beautiful way is this one. Like. Okay, so this is a day 1. So because if you missed day 1, you can go this recorded video, so you can watch anyway all live streaming lessons. But you want to join the live streaming. Okay. So you can combine video lessons that you missed, and also you can join the live streaming. For example, let's see one more time the schedule. So schedule something easy lesson. Let's choose. For example, here So let's choose something like easy one. Easy one, let's say, so for example here, A1 speaking, day 2, that is very young. So young lessons for really beginner. So Wednesday 3:30. Wednesday 3:30. So booking. So beginner's level. And A1 speaking. And Wednesday 3:30. 3:30 here. 3:30. And you put in your information and confirm it's done. And you will have Zoom code, so you access the Zoom and you can enjoy the live streaming lesson. Okay, so this is a live streaming lesson you can book here, and you can check the schedule and you can know more details from checklist and the recorded video. You can enjoy. If you miss the lesson, you go to the recorded video, so you won't miss any lesson. Okay, and here it has everyday different exercise. For example, today's video lesson is first Japanese writing. So click. So all this video is all for student. So you can enjoy the short lesson. Usually it's like 15 minutes or 14 minutes.
It is
Something
polite.
This is different things. Okay. So you can enjoy the lesson here. Okay.
34 years old, 34歳 years old です。
You can
日本語の Japanese language. So that's
course.
日本 means Japan. So go is language. So if you want to say Greek language will be ギリシャ語.
And today's vocabulary. So every day you can learn some vocabulary or maybe sentences. Today's is 天皇. 天皇 means emperor. So 天皇. So you need to know hiragana first, of course. Then it's how to use. 日本には天皇がいます. In Japan, there is an emperor. Okay. So and video in Japanese, a little bit extra video and some extra information. And okay, I need to know hiragana first. So you go hiragana 46 lesson. Hiragana aiueo, more lesson, you click. And you have hiragana exercise. Aiueo, kakikukeko, so you click. For example, I want to learn kakikukeko. So kakikukeko lesson.
There's
So
1000
here you can
alphabets
enjoy the
in
lesson. So how was it? So which means so many options. First of all, every day you can enjoy short lessons and vocabulary exercise on the membership site. And if you want to learn really serious class, if you want to attend, you go booking, you book the live streaming lesson. If you miss the live streaming lesson, you go to recorded video. So you won't miss anything. Every day you can study. So how was it? So this is membership program. So enjoy!
Like the wind running free, we were lost, we had to believe. No direction, no place to be. High on emotions, just you